Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you all my insider secrets that I've learned over the years to help you meditate like a pro. Are you ready? If you like this kind of content, then do subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss my next video. I want to thank all my new subscribers. I love all the messages. Thank you so much. What is meditation? Meditation is an altered state of consciousness or trance. Now, some people are afraid of that word, trance. Someone I know personally is afraid of that word, but it's not a bad word. Actually, it is an amazing state of awareness. In the Western world, we're familiar with 3 states of consciousness, but in actuality, there are many, many more states of consciousness. 25 states of consciousness, to be exact, according to the ancient Vedic culture. The 3 states of consciousness that we're familiar with are waking, dream, and deep sleep state. But as I said, there are many more, but I'm not qualified to teach about those. If you want to know what those additional states of consciousness are, you'll have to get yourself a spiritual master. In the waking state, we have the I consciousness with thoughts. In dream, we have thoughts, but no clear identity. And that is why our dreams are all jumbled up. They're never in chronological order. That is because we have thoughts, but no clear identity. It is for that reason why I don't give importance to dreams unless the dream was in color. Normal dreams are usually in black and white, but if you have a dream in color, then that wasn't a dream but a vision. In the deep sleep state, we neither have eye consciousness nor thoughts, and that is why we don't ever remember anything from the deep sleep state. In that state, we return to the womb of creation, or Hiranyagarbha, where we recharge our batteries and then we return back to our bodies. Now that you know about the 3 states of consciousness, I will tell you about the endless benefits of meditation. Meditation gives us the ability to access the different states of consciousness and much more. When we meditate, we have access to the awakened state of consciousness, which is the fourth state of consciousness known as turiya. When we bring the 4th state of consciousness into our lives, we have access to health, wealth, bliss, joy, all as a side effect of meditating. We can meditate anytime, any place. No one's too old or too young. So if you have children, teach them meditation as soon as possible. That's the best thing you can do for them. Also, don't hesitate to teach the elders in your life to meditate. You're going to vastly improve their way of life. My father has been meditating now for several months, and he's been having amazing trips. You'll experience other benefits from your meditating, such as your third eye will get activated, and with that, a whole new pot of possibilities will open up, and you'll have access to those abilities. Possibilities such as intuition, clairvoyance. You'll be able to see and feel energy. Now, who wouldn't want intuition and clairvoyance? Now comes the juicy stuff, how to meditate like a pro. Pick a relaxing space, someplace where you won't be disturbed for the duration of your meditation. Wear some comfortable clothes and sit in the most comfortable position. That could be sitting on a chair, but the most beneficial position would be sitting in Padmasana, cross-legged on the floor. If you can't sit in Padmasana, then sit in whatever position is comfortable for you, but don't lay down. If you lay down, you're only going to fall asleep, and it's not going to be good. Keep your head, neck, and spine in a straight line because we're connecting all the energy centers of the body. Connect your index finger and thumb like this, and you create what's called a mudra. This mudra reduces thoughts, and you're connecting your energy points. You're creating an energy circuit. You can place your mudras up or down on your thighs, and they have amazing meanings. I'm going to read some of the meanings out to you right now. So this mudra is known as Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra, and it represents the union of the individual soul with the supreme soul or consciousness, super consciousness, cosmic consciousness. It symbolizes evolving wisdom over ignorance, which leads to supreme knowledge. Your palms are in mudras and they're comfortably sitting on your thighs. Your head, neck, and spine is in a straight line. And now you are ready for your technique. There are countless techniques available, but they all have the same goal, which is to reduce the speed of your thoughts, or your TPS, thoughts per second. I'm going to give you a simple yet powerful technique. Actually, I feel it's the most powerful technique that I've used so far because it immediately puts you into trance. Lift your eyes up as if you are looking at your eyebrows, and then turn your eyes towards your third eye, which is located at the center of your forehead, like so. Then you close your eyes. You can let the eyeballs fall wherever they want to, and keep the awareness on your third eye. So by lifting up the eyes and turning them towards the third eye, you create a triangle and you are already in trance. Keep your awareness on the third eye. Now, if your awareness wanders off, again bring it back to the third eye, because as long as you keep your awareness on the third eye, you're not going to have as many thoughts. So the goal of meditation is to slow down our thoughts. That way we can get to the center, the real I-ness, and find out who we really and truly are. Hold your awareness on the third eye without any strain. Relax your face muscles, relax all the muscles of the body, and just relax, relax, relax. Take in long, slow inhalations. Hold for a few seconds And then slowly exhale through the mouth. With each inhalation, go a little deeper, and with each exhalation, relax a little more. Allow the thoughts to come if they want to. Examine the thoughts if you want to. And then release them back to the cosmos. You can play some meditation music in the background if you like, and start meditating for perhaps 10 minutes, and gradually increase your meditating time. The more we meditate and the more people we get to meditate, the sooner we're going to transform this planet back to its original glory, what it was intended to be, a planet of learning and individual sovereignty, something we don't have right now. So let's meditate and let's get others to meditate. And like I said, if you have kids, you have children, do teach them meditation as soon as possible. There's no reason why we should keep all of this knowledge away from the children. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I thank you.